Do you want to make study vlogs? Do you want to start your study vlog channel but you're still planning for this? Hi everyone, I am Sumit Singh and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will share 7 tips to start your study vlog channel. But before starting this video, I want to tell you something about a course. I have a good news for you all. Do you know that in today's time, companies look for skills, not marks? If you have any skill, then you can get a good job very easily. But the problem is that if you go to the market to learn any skill, then their coaching charge more amount. But I have bought an online course for all of you from which you can learn all these skills in very less amount. Although the amount of other coachings are 8,000 to 10,000 rupees, but if you follow the link given in my description box, you will get basic and advanced courses within 2,000 to 4,000 rupees, and this course will be with you for your lifetime. In the course, you can learn communication skills, personality development skills, marketing skills, how to crack interviews, how to perform differently from others, and many more. Like you all see me that my skills are very good, which is due to this course. So, and you can also earn by purchasing this course, and you will be told separately on the mail about these course, and the link of this course will also sent to your mail. So please enter the mail address correctly. Then what are you waiting for? The link of this course is given in the description box, so don't forget to check out this. So let's continue with our video. My tip number 1 is you not need to buy a camera and other equipments. Firstly, start your channel and then you only need a regular mobile which you use to shoot your vlogs and study vlogs and all, and a tripod to stable your camera so that the video you made is looking professional. Don't invest money in the starting. My second tip is be consistent. As you all know, consistency in anything is the road to success. When you are starting a channel, make sure you are being consistent and upload vlogs or videos regularly. It might be once a week, twice a week, or thrice a week, etc. But be consistent. You don't need to buy editing softwares, and you only need a app which is suitable and easy to use. I recommend you VLLO, Vita and InShot apps which are really good and very easy to use. They contain the features you want to make study vlogs. And for thumbnail, Fonto and Pixel Labs are very good applications. My fourth tip is replying to each and every comment. I personally suggest you to reply to all the comments, and also make sure that you are not sharing your videos to your relatives via WhatsApp and all, because they are not at all interested in your study vlogs and it might reduce your audience retention. My fifth tip is when you are consistent and started a YouTube channel, make sure you hide your subscriber count until it does not cross 1000 milestone, and also make sure to put your more attention in analyzing the analytics of the videos. My sixth tip is use non-copyright music. As you all might be aware that YouTube has a right to claim copyright over a video. So for this situation, make sure you are using non-copyright music, and you can download music from channels called Vlog No Copyright, Audio Library, etc. My seventh and last tip is make sure you are adding dialogues, and you can also do voiceovers in your study vlogs so that you can increase your audience attention. It is very useful tip.